Updating your profile details on Samsung Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your device. Make sure you are logged in with your Samsung account. Step 2. Access Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Profile. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Profile or Account Information. Tap on it to view your current profile details. Step 4. Edit Information. Choose the specific details you want to update, such as your name, email address, or phone number. Enter the new information and ensure it is accurate. Step 5. Save Changes. After making your updates, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm your changes and ensure they are applied to your profile. By following these steps, you can easily keep your profile details up to date on Samsung Pay. Regular updates help ensure a smooth experience with the app.